Howdy y'all, this is Dwight and welcome back to my channel. Well, I've finished up my second attempt on the slight redesign of my trapper pattern. Here in the closed position, the dimensions are essentially the same as my previous rendition. It's 3 3/4 inches in the closed position. And here in the open position, we are right at 6 3/4 inches in overall length. And per usual, the blade and back spring is CPM 154. And I got a 400 grit and finish there on the bevels. And I did a 400 grit belt finish on the swedge. This one has a nail nick instead of a long pull, and this side has a smudgy fingerprint. There we go. Did brass liners, and I did some file work, and I came all the way around on the butt end with it. Now for the handle material on this one, this came from my local area, and unfortunately I do not remember the name of the small community that it came from, but a local gentleman gave me several scales of it, and it came from a 100-year-old chestnut tree, which I thought was really cool. He said there was pictures of it next to a public building from way back in the day, so they was able to say that it was at least 100 years old, which I thought was rather neat. But unfortunately, I don't remember the community it came from, but I do know it is local to me, and I think it finished up rather nicely on this handle. Has a little nice dark streak in the grain on this side. I finished this out with Tru-Oil, which to my understanding is used, or at least was, I don't know about now, but was used on gun stocks. Of course, I'm sure among other things. And it has a nice finish on it. And it really made the grain kind of pop out. There's a comparison picture, or shot, however you want to say that. Anyhow, has a nice smooth walk and talk, nice medium pull, locks quite nicely, has a nice snap going into lock position. Great sounding action, I think. So here is a satisfactory rendition of my slight redesign of the trapper pattern. Hope you all enjoyed, and for everyone that watches, I do thank you. And until the next video, y'all take care.